Hi, Kevin Murphy here. I'm going to show you a sophisticated new look inspired by the Surfer Girl. To begin, we prime the hair with Angel Wash and Angel Rinse. We prime the hair to even out the porosity and to begin with an even surface. Prep the hair with Hair Resort Spray from roots to tips. And rough dry. Comb through and split into 4 sections. Using a large curling iron, take vertical sections and wind away from the face. Comb through thoroughly, back and away from the face. To finish, begin at the nape, taking wide sections. Wipe the super glue from the mid-lengths to the ends. For added texture and movement, using the curl clip, pinch the hair into the clip. You need to heat up the clips for about 10 minutes and then let the hair cool. Once cooled, take out the clips and you're pretty much done. Okay, there you go. There's your Surfer Girl look.